Dr. Parthara Sarati's Asian Hair and Skin Hospitals, India, the Managing Director, Dr. Parthara Sarati Datta Roy.
Good evening, everyone. Summer is approaching, so the heat is becoming more, the sun is becoming aggressive, and so the skin issues related to summer are increasing. A lot of patients with summer related skin issues are coming to our OPDs. So today, briefly, I would try to explain few things, few skin issues related to summer and how you can take care of it. There are many things, many skin issues which happens during summer. One important issue in summer is the bacterial infections. In bacterial infections, folliculitis is very common during summer. Folliculitis are the infections of the hair follicles, and folliculitis can happen anywhere in your body. It can happen on your scalp, in your beard areas, face, buttocks, all this place. So folliculitis should be treated with antibacterials, both orally and topically. Plus, you have to be careful about your diet, about your wearings, all these things. See, you have to keep your body cool. Soft cotton clothes you should wear. Drink lot of water, juice. Keep your body cool. That is more important. Then another important thing, another bacterial infection is called heat boil, also called furuncles. So furuncles are again common. It can happen anywhere, on your face, on the buttocks, underarms, anywhere. So these causes pain and the area becomes red, inflamed. So oral antibiotics helps, topical antibiotics also helps. You can use the antibacterial soap for taking bath. Then another important thing is prickly heat or heat rash, which happens in children, in adults as well. And prickly heat is something, it happens due to the clogging of the sweat glands. The sweat gets stuck inside your skin and it causes a bump on that area, and irritations and itching is quite common in these areas. So sometimes these get infected. So if it is infected, you can use antibacterial creams and tablets. Otherwise, cool compresses will help. You can also use calamine lotions. Keep your body cool again, which is helpful. Then coming to another important thing is fungal infection. Fungal infection is very common during summer because of the increased sweat and all. And fungal infections can occur anywhere in your body, especially in your groin areas, underarms, okay, buttocks, the areas where sweating is more. So fungal infections, again you have to use antifungal tablets and antifungal creams, antifungal soaps you should use for taking bath. Also you can use antifungal powders. So this is another important thing. Then even viral infections like chicken pox, measles, all this can increase during summer. So any rashes with fever should immediately visit a specialist, and dermatologist will treat this with, in case of chickenpox, for example, with antiviral acyclovir tablets and creams. Then another important thing during summer is dryness and irritation. Dryness, irritations can happen especially for staying in the in air condition for a long time, or staying under the sun for a long time. So these are again you have to use mild moisturizers, mild steroid creams, etc., antihistamines for itching. Then there are few more things which can happen during summer. Acne, another important thing, also a bacterial infection, can aggravate during summer. Though what happens is due to the sweat, which mixes with bacteria and oil secreted from your body, clogs the skin pores, and that is how acne prone skin can start having breakouts. So these things again should be treated with, one is regular repeated use of anti-acne face wash, anti-acne creams, if required oral antibiotics can be taken. Then body odor increases during summer, the sweating increases, mild itching and irritation you may get all over your body. Okay, so to get rid of all these things, repeated body wash is important. You can use a mild talcum powder, you can use some mild and moisturizing soap, and in case of severe sun allergies or skin rashes or polymorphic light eruptions, you can visit a dermatologist. These are the things. Other than this, there is something called razor burn which can happen during summer. It happens due to blunt razor, not shaving properly. Because of all this thing can happen, and using antibiotic creams or mild steroid creams, or combination of both, or even moisturizing creams can help. Then even it has been observed that a lot of insect bites you see during summer. So that is another thing, like you have to take care with combination of antibiotic and mild steroid creams with moisturizers, if required oral steroids or oral antibiotics, all these things. Then most important is wear regular sunscreen, don't go to sunlight too much, wear protective clothes, drink lot of water, wear soft cotton clothes, use a mild antibiotic or moisturizing soap. Keep your body cool, be in a cooler place, don't go to sunlight too much. All these things will help. So these are the usual things which happens during summer.